Vantage, Flash and Ebony are well-recognized brands synonymous with modern menswear in Sri Lanka. They are the leading lines of Ebony Holdings, a once small-time but now prosperous clothing manufacturing company founded by the late Alhaj Abdul Rahim. Despite humble beginnings, over the past few decades, Ebony Holdings has established its brands island-wide as a forerunner in men's fashion in the country. This is the story of their legacy. Since the 1990s, when two of the founders' entrepreneurial sons took over, Ebony's business expanded exponentially. Eventually, Razmi Rahim was appointed chairman and Razin Rahim was appointed managing director. Since then, several new factories were established in the Kurunegala district. Beginning with the Pvt Ltd factory in 2003, a second, third and fourth factory was set up by 2014, joining the manufacturing line, resulting in a significant increase in the number of employees as well. Establishing an island-wide distribution network was key to helping the business expand. This made the prestigious brands of Ebony Holdings available across the country. Premium shirts, trousers and innerwear were made available across the nation, from the northeast to the south coast of Sri Lanka. Ebony Holdings initially started off by manufacturing shirts. As the company grew, their product portfolio also evolved to include more varied and innovative products. Under the revitalized leadership of its new chairman and new managing director, Ebony Holdings was fully realized as a premier clothing manufacturer and distributor of men's fashion. It was established with strong organizational values focused on customer satisfaction, uncompromising quality, and dynamic relationships with their partners and stakeholders. The board of directors also developed a management team that had a clear vision for creating a positive working environment, employing and training an experienced management team, people who can motivate and generate positive outcomes. Crucially, this leadership inspired a dedicated and committed team of staff. Exceeding their customers' expectations, Ebony Holdings ensures the best services and products to its clientele. Invested in quality every step of the way, the company uses premium quality raw materials and state-of-the-art machinery from Italy, Germany, Japan, Turkey and China, along with the latest technology, sales and ERP systems. Their latest factory is a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant ready to take on the world. The quality outcome of work is recognized by the experts in the industry. The company holds membership in the Ceylon Chamber of Commerce and the American Chamber of Commerce. In the fast-paced fashion industry, the R&D team keeps Ebony Holdings ahead of the competition by producing cutting-edge, state-of-the-art designs. Creative marketing team carries the latest Ebony Holdings brands across the country, while their sponsorship affiliations at national events are professional and bold. Ebony Holdings consistently invests strategically in marketing and communications so that they can be in regular conversation with their loyal customers and crucially attract new ones. Being a socially aware company, Ebony Holdings have been involved in numerous CSR initiatives. The organization recognizes the need to play an active role in preserving the environment and supporting the local community and those in need. There's a lot to be proud of. From a simple, small and humble clothing manufacturer in Sri Lanka, the company now spearheads men's fashion in the apparel industry, providing comfort and style to the modern man. Ebony Holdings aims to be the benchmark for high-quality, modest menswear by providing the best in men's fashion.